Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss the tricks to solve NEET questions under hydrocarbon. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. See, under the hydrocarbons, what are the topics you have to concentrate or you have to study? Let me give the list. So first, we can broadly classify, we have to study alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compound. In all the cases, we have to study the test for functional groups. In the case of alkanes, there is no functional groups. In the case of alkenes, we know it's a double bond, alkynes, triple bond, aromatic compound, it's a benzene ring. Strictly speaking, this is not a functional group, it is only unsaturation. Coming under the classification, we have to study the naming, we have to study common name as well as IUPAC name for each. Isomerism, we have to study for individual cases. General method of preparations, you have to study, that is laboratory method, commercial method and name reactions. And properties, we have to study, that is physical as well as chemical properties. And finally, uses of the first few members in the homologous series. So these are the topics you have to study under the hydrocarbon. So let me concentrate now the questions that is asked for the last 6 years in NEET question paper. Question number 1, which is asked in the NEET 2016. Kindly follow. So here, acetylene, kindly follow, CH triple bond CH. Acetylene undergoes reaction with sodium amide bar liquid ammonia followed by ethyl bromide, gives X. Then again the same the reaction repeated. The product X again treated with sodium amide, liquid ammonia and ethyl bromide, giving the product Y. X and Y are A option, X equal to 2-butene, Y equal to 3-hexyl. B, X equal to 2-butene, Y equal to 2-hexyl. C, X equal to 1-butene, Y equal to 2-hexyl. And D, X equal to 1-butene, Y equal to 3-hexyl. Please follow. So before discussing the tricks, let me give idea at what topic this is asked. That is the most important. So I already told you this question is asked under the alkyne because a triple bond is present. General topic is hydrocarbon alkyne. So let me come for the questions now. Kindly follow the discussion. I am coming. So what is it is asked, that is we have acetylene. Please follow. That is the starting material. And we are treated with first sodium amide, liquid ammonia solvent, followed by ethyl bromide. Kindly follow. So what is happening when you treat this? Kindly follow this. When you compare alkane, alkene and alkynes, the hydrogen atom that is present in the terminal hydrogen, it is acidic in nature. Kindly follow, acidic in nature. Because when I was discussing the theory, I have differentiated alkane, alkene and alkynes by 4 tests. Among the 2 tests which is useful, one is ammoniacal silver nitrate test, another is ammoniacal cuprous chloride test. able to identify because the hydrogen can be replaced by sodium, the silver as well as ammonic, some of the hydrogen ions replaced by copper. So first case white precipitate, second case red precipitate. That means the idea you must know they are acidic in nature. So when you treat with the sodium amide and liquid ammonia, correspondingly the hydrogen will be substituted by sodium. Then when treated with the ethyl bromide, then sodium bromide will go out, the product will be, this is the product, kindly follow C, CH2, CH3, this is the product form. So this I will call it as, kindly follow, this is the first product, X, kindly follow, this is the first product formed. What is the name of this compound? As per the IUPAC name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1-butene. This is 1-butene. So what will happen now? If you treat the same, what is the same reagent? Sodium amide in presence of liquid ammonia and followed by the ethyl bromide. If you treat again, so the another terminal hydrogen atom will be substituted. What will happen now again? C triple bond C, C, this side CH2, CH3, and this side again CH2, CH3. So this is the product form. So this we will call it as the Y. What is the name of this IUPAC name for this one? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom. This is the third carbon atom, is the triple bond is present. So it is, we will call it as 3-hexene. The name is 3-hexene. Kindly follow. The first one is 1-butene. This is 3-hexene. So X and Y will be 1-butene and 3-hexene. Kindly follow, please have it in mind, clear? So this first step, the hydrogen will be substituted by sodium. The sodium will be substituted by ethyl bromide. The first product X is formed, that is 1-butene. The same similar type, another hydrogen is replaced the same way, producing 3-hexene. So first one X, 1-butene, second Y is 3-hexene. So we will go for the option now. Kindly follow. Option is D is the correct answer. 1-butene X, 3-hexene Y. Please follow. This is the correct answer. See, it is very, very easy if you understand the concept. This is the tricks involved here. Question number 2. Let me go for. This is the question asked in NEET to 2016. Let me read the question now. Consider the nitration of benzene using mixed corn sulfuric acid and corn nitric acid in the ratio of 2:1. It is not given. If a large amount of potassium sulfate is added to the mixture, the rate of nitration will be A, slower, B, unchanged, C, doubled, D, faster. Please follow. So this question was asked under the aromatic compound because benzene. So hydrocarbon is the general unit. Under this aromatic compound benzene. So let me explain, kindly follow what is happening. So let me write that. Kindly follow, my dear students. So what is happening actually? If you go for the mechanism of the reaction, so when you take a mixture of corn nitric acid, I am writing in this way, kindly follow, plus 2 moles of concentrated sulfuric acid so 1:2 ratio. What will happen now? Kindly follow. In this case, sulfuric acid is acting as an acid, nitric acid is acting as a base. So what is happening now? It is undergo electrolytic fission to produce. So these are the attacking species. What are the attacking species? NO2 plus, kindly follow, plus H3O plus 2HSO4 minus. So these are the species coming from the attacking reagent. Please follow. Out of these, so when you treat with benzene, kindly follow. So this is the powerful attacking reagent is electrophil NO2 plus, because it is attacking the benzene to produce nitrobenzene. Please follow. This is the reaction. So hydrogen is substituted by nitrobenzene. This is the product. Now the question is, in presence of the excess, the corresponding the potassium hydrogen sulfate, in presence of potassium hydrogen sulfate, what will happen to the rate of the reaction? So normally in presence of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, reaction will be faster. But when you add potassium hydrogen sulfate, what will happen? This is coming from the physical point of view, common ion effects. So potassium hydrogen sulfate is a strong electrolyte, will ionize in the form of potassium plus hydrogen sulfate. Please follow. So this hydrogen sulfate is now coming from potassium hydrogen sulfate. So what will happen now? During nitration, if you add potassium hydrogen sulfate, HSO4 minus concentration will increase. That concentration is a common ion which is already present in the HSO4. So according to law of mass action, please according to the law of mass action, Lee-Chatterjee principle, Lee-Chatterjee principle, whenever the equilibrium will be shifted depending upon the concentration of the reactants, temperature, pressure, volume, the catalyst, etc., will be affected. The rate of the reaction will be affected, equilibrium will be shifted. So in this case, what will happen now? When you add potassium hydrogen sulfate providing HSO4 common ion, so the equilibrium of the reaction will be shifted toward left side. That means nitration will be slower. Please follow. Because of the common ion, the nitration will be slowed down. This is the answer. Please follow. Let me repeat again, kindly follow. This is the attacking reagent. 1:2 mixture. When I mix, I am getting these species, NO2 plus, H3O plus, and 2SO4 minus. These two are electrophils. This is the nucleophile. So among the nucleophile, the electrophile NO2 plus is fastly attacking this benzene to produce nitrobenzene, and correspondingly H plus will come out. And in presence of potassium hydrogen sulfate, which is strong electrolyte, will undergo ionization to produce potassium sulfate and hydrogen sulfate. So this hydrogen sulfate ion, which is already present in the mixer, in the reagent. So it's a common ion. Because of the common ion effect, the reaction will be favored backward. That means nitration will be getting lower. Nitration reaction will be slowed down. Please follow. So we'll come for the option now. So option is A, slower is the correct answer. B, unchanged, double, faster. So correct answer is slower. Please follow. This is the tricks here. Question number 3. This question was asked under the NEET 2017. Please follow. Predict the correct intermediate and product in the following reaction. Please follow. Predict the correct intermediate and product in the following reactions. So what is the reactant is given? It is 1 propine is given, water in presence of sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate it is given. So intermediate is A. according to the question. And from this intermediate, it is giving a product B. So A and B we have to identify. Option A, option B, option C, option D. So it is given. Kindly follow. So this question was asked under the alkyne. Please follow. 1-propyne alkyne. So unit is hydrocarbon. Please follow. So I told you already, the alkyne normally will be, if there is any terminal hydrogen is acidic in nature. So this will undergo normally, alkenes and alkyne will undergo additional reaction with water. So let me write the reactions, just you follow, identify the product, then we will come for the correct answer. Kindly follow. Please write. First, I will write the starting material 1-propyne. Please follow. This is the, starting material is CH3C triple bond CH, 1-propyne. So we are adding within water in presence of the that is mercuric sulfate and acid medium. Kindly follow. What is happening now? The water will be cleaved in this way. Please follow. Will cleaved in this way electrolytically, and this is again the pi electron, pi bond will be cleaved. So what will happen? This will become positive, this will become negative. So this is positive, this is negative. Simply add now. CH3, C plus OH will be added and double bond is there, and CH2, CH minus, this H will added, so converted into CH2. This is the intermediate. Kindly follow A. This is the intermediate A. But this is unstable. Please follow. This intermediate is unstable because there is a double bond and enolic group. Whenever a carbon atom containing double bond and OH group is unstable, enolic form is unstable. So what will happen now? This will undergo a rearrangement. What will I just see here? This H will go and attack this carbon atom. So producing acetone. Please follow. So this is the compound form. So product is B. Please follow. So intermediate is enolic form of acetone. Product is keto form of acetone. B. So A and B. So this is A, this is B. Can you understand this idea? Okay. Now you'll go for the option and find out the correct answer. The correct answer is, see here, A is the correct answer. So this is the A is the enolic form of ketone. This is the keto form of the acetone, keto form. So this is the correct answer. Please follow. Next, question number 4. This is another interesting question. This question was asked under the NEET 2017. Which one is the correct order of acidity? That is, 4 options are given. Kindly follow. I will read only first option A. All the other cases, the order is reversed. One is ethane. Second, ethylene. Third is 1-propyne. Fourth is acetylene. Among the 4, which one is the correct order of acidity? That we have to identify. So option A, option B, option C, option D. Kindly follow. This question was asked under the both alkane and alkane. All the 3 are involved here. All the 3 are involved here. So general question from the hydrocarbon. So let me explain the theory. Kindly follow. So let me take what are the compound it is given under this. So let me take a range according to the order. Kindly follow. The first one is alkane, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, alkane, ethane. Second one, The correspondingly ethylene. And third one is 1-propyne. Please follow. And fourth is acetylene. The question is, we are asked to arrange the correct order of acidity. I told you already in the theory, I discussed the acidity is present always in the alkynes, specifically terminal the acid group. Just see, this is acidic. Because there are two reasons we can give. One is sp hybridization. Whenever carbon having sp hybridization, the hydrogen attached to this carbon will be acidic in nature. So in this propyne, again there is H is there acidic. So coming for double bond, when compared to CH3, this is more reactive. So now I can arrange the order, kindly follow. According to him, there are two CH groups. This is highly acidic, number 1. This is only one acidic carbon, number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. Please follow. So what I can now arrange the order now? Order is CH, triple bond CH greater than propyne, CH3, C triple bond CH greater than ethylene, then greater than ethane. Please follow. So now, please keep it in your mind now. Please note in your notebook. Acetylene more acidic than 1-propyne, more acidic than ethylene, more acidic than ethane. So let us see the option now. Where is their option? Kindly see option C, the correct order. Acetylene number 1, propyne number 2, ethylene number 3, and ethane number 4. Very, very easy. If you understand the concept, question is very, very easy. Next question, question number 5. Please follow. Identify the major products P, Q, and R in the following sequence of reactions. The following sequence of reaction. Please follow. Question number 5. So what you are taking? Benzene allowed to react with the propyl chloride or 1-chloropropane in presence of aluminum, anhydrous aluminum chloride. So we are getting P. First one, P is getting. And P, we are treating with the first oxidation we are doing. The second step, we are hydrolyzing in presence of water and acid medium. So we are getting a mixture of Q and R. Please follow. So we have to find out what is P, what is Q, what is R. Option A, option B, option C, and option D it is given. Kindly follow. Let me explain the reason for this question, then you can understand. Kindly follow. Let me take the example of benzene. So when I take this CH3, CH2, CH2Cl in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, what will happen now? This is actually an electrophilic aromatic electrophilic substitution. So what will happen now? This will undergo cleavage. So it is going to attack the benzene ring. But when it is undergoing this, what is happening now? So this is forming some arrangement, and the product is, this is the product is formed. Please follow, this is the most important you must understand. CH3, CH3. Because, so this is the primary carbonium ion. From this, a secondary carbonium ion will form. So when you compare primary and secondary is more stable. So that product is formed. This is called actually cumene. So this product is formed. This is P. Kindly follow. This is the P. Kindly follow. So what will happen now? we are now oxidizing first reaction. So when you undergo oxidation, what is happening? This oxygen it is introduced in between with the isopropyl group and benzene ring. So what is happening now? A peroxide is forming. What is peroxide? Kindly follow. Benzene ring. I can write COOH and there is 2CH3 group. Kindly follow. This is one product. This is P, this is Q. And further, we are hydrolyzing. Kindly follow. Hydrolyzing. So I can say instead of Q this, I will come back because it's only intermediate. So on hydrolysis, what is happening now? We are getting two products. What way? So kindly follow here. So this is hydrolyzing here, undergoing, and this bond cleavage. So what is happening here? It is producing a corresponding phenol. Please follow. This OH is coming and attacking benzene ring, and this is going out in the form of acetone. Please follow. This is a very, very important reaction. So this OH is going and attaching this benzene ring, producing benzene, the phenol Q. This is R. Acetone is the R. So now we have identified what is P, cumene, isopropyl benzene, Q, phenol, or acetone. So now we have to find it from the option where it is this answer we have to take. Kindly follow. Now in this case, kindly follow. The correct answer is D is the correct answer. The first one is P. This is the cumene, isopropyl benzene. Then Q is phenol, R is acetone. So I have very clearly explained. This is the idea behind this question. This is the tricks involved here. Please follow. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. The compound C7H8 undergoes the following reaction. C7H8 undergoes chlorination, 3 moles, action of heat, producing A. A undergoes bromination in presence of iron, producing B. Then it is treated with undergoes reduction in presence of zinc and HCl to produce C. Zinc and HCl, the reduction normally we will call it the Clemmensen reduction. So we have to identify the product C is. So they are not worrying about it. They are not asking about A. They are not asking about B. They are asking about C. What is C? The 4 options are given. A. 3-bromo 2,4,6 trichlorotoluene. B. Orthobromotoluene. C. Metabromotoluene. And D. Parabromotoluene. So we have to first identify what is the nature of this compound. Please follow. So here it is given toluene itself. You can come to the conclusion it may be an aromatic. This is one idea. Suppose even if the answer, if it is not given, you can, from the formula, you can identify it's an aromatic compound because the number of carbon atom when compared to hydrogen atom is very low, it is aliphatic. More or less equal, it is aromatic. This is the tricks you must have it in mind. Benzene C6H6, kindly follow. Whereas you take hexane C6H14, C double time CnH2n plus 2. That is the general formula. So alkane means 2H2 plus 2. Alkene CnH2n. Alkyne CnH2n minus 2. That means the hydrogen, number of hydrogen atom will be always higher very much than carbon. It is aliphatic compound. Aromatic compound, it will be more or less same. So, what is the tricks here is, since C7H8 means immediately you think of there is a benzene ring. You have it in mind. There is a benzene ring. So benzene ring nothing but C6H5. So what is the remaining? You subtract from C7H8, remaining is CH3. So automatically you can identify starting material is toluene. Please follow. So this question is asked under the aromatic. So now let me write the reactions. You kindly follow. So what way I have already informed how I identified toluene. So toluene is the starting material. So what is the first reaction? We are treating with 3 moles of chlorine. Action of heat. So what will happen now? Chlorine, it is undergoing substitution reaction, that is correspondingly electrophilic substitution reaction. In the case of toluene, the aliphatic hydrogen will be substituted. The first product will be CCl3, it is formed. Kindly follow. So this is the product first forming. This is, we can simply say, the corresponding benzene ring attached to carbon. Instead of hydrogen atom, 3 chlorine atom it is attached. The next thing is, kindly follow, we are treating with the bromine in presence of iron. We are treating. Kindly follow. So, when we are treating with iron, the bromine presence of iron, what will happen now? It is undergoing electrophilic substitution under the aromatic ring. Under the aromatic ring. Kindly follow. CCl3. So, now I have to give one important information. My dear students, please listen me. Normally, only one chlorine atom is present in the benzene ring. It is electron releasing group. Normally electron releasing group, but weak electron releasing group. I know already I told you under this mesomeric effect, electron releasing group order is, that is plus I plus M, NH2 greater than OH greater than OH3 greater than CH3 greater than X. X is the halogen. That is the lowest electron releasing. Whenever electron releasing group, the incoming electrophile will go to the ortho and para. But here, because of 3 chlorine atom, now it is not acting as an electron releasing, it is acting as an electron attracting group. So that is a meta-orienting group. It becomes meta-orienting. The incoming bromine now go to meta position. Please follow. So plus HBr is forming in presence of iron. So it is undergoing Br. What is next step is reduction, that is zinc and HCl reduction. Kindly follow. Reduction that cannot be taking place in the aromatic side, only in the aliphatic side you will undergo. So it will undergo reduction in the form of, again we will get back toluene and meta position bromine. Please, this is the product form. Kindly follow. That is meta-bromo-toluene is the correct answer. I hope you understand clearly. Only two tricks here it is, you must know. Only one chlorine atom is present, it is electron releasing. Because 3 chlorine atom is highly attraction, so it becomes meta-orienting. That's why bromine is going to meta positions. After that, we are reducing again, converting into toluene again. So CH3, Cl is substituted by hydrogen and producing 3 molecules of HCl. Kindly follow. So final product is C is meta-bromo-toluene. Let us see now. We'll go for the option. Very good. Clear. Meta-bromo-toluene is the correct answer. I hope I have given a very clear idea, my dear students. So a lot of tricks here, it is involved in this question. It's a very good question asked. Next, I will go for the question number 7, asked in NEET 2018. Hydrocarbon A reacts with bromine by substitution to form alkyl bromide. Please follow carefully. Hydrocarbon A. They have not said hydrocarbon may be an alkane, alkene or alkyl. Hydrocarbon A reacts with bromine by substitution reaction. Please follow by substitution to form an alkyl bromide, which by Wood's reaction is converted into gaseous hydrocarbon containing less than 4 carbon atom. Please follow, less than 4. So there are so many things they are assuming. One important information they are giving is an hydrocarbon. Second, they are giving it is on treatment with the bromine converted into alkyl bromide. And third is alkyl bromide with the help of Wood's reaction producing an alkane hydrocarbon but containing lesser number of 4 carbon atom. So what is the reagent A? Or that is hydrocarbon A. Option is ethane, A ethane, B ethylene, C acetylene and D methane. My dear students, again this question was asked under the hydrocarbon, specifically a combination of all the three, alkane, alkene and alkyne it is there. But specific, if you go for answer, it is under hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon. So let me explain, kindly follow me. So, here what is the question given here, there is an hydrocarbon A. So hydrocarbon A converted into halide. Please let me first a rough idea I will give, just see. We are treating with bromine. So it is an hydrocarbon. Let me general formula I will give RH. It is converted into RX. Please follow. The RX, it is going to react with the Wood's reaction. Means what is Wood's reaction? We know 2 moles of alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether to produce an alkane containing even number of carbon atom, that is Wood's reaction. So automatically I can write here in this case Na2Na plus again XR. So what happens? This is dry ether, that is called Wood's reaction. So this halide is getting removed. I am getting RR. Please follow. I am getting RR. So I am getting RR means this should be less than 4 carbon atom. Please follow. This should be less than, hydrocarbon should be less than carbon atom. Please follow one important condition. Wood's reaction is suitable only for even number of carbon atom. That too less than 4 carbon atom. So from this idea, so now we can come to the conclusion. What are the options given? It is given ethane is given, ethylene is given, acetylene is given, methane. So we can say now suitable is methane. So when you treat with bromine, kindly follow. So what is happening here? The correspondingly we are getting converted into methyl bromide. Please follow. Methyl bromide. So when methyl bromide, so when you treat with now undergoes Wood's reaction plus Na plus BrNa. This is for your convenience. I am writing to memorize easily. Dry ether. This is Wood's reaction. So it is removing this 2. So product is ethane. So it is lesser number of 4 carbon atom. So the only alkane methane is undergoing halogenation to produce alkyl bromide, methyl bromide. So 2 moles of methyl bromide reacts with 2 moles of metallic sodium in presence of dry ether, undergoes Wood's reaction in presence of dry ether to produce ethane. So less than 4 carbon atom. So correct answer is methane. Please follow. I hope you know the tricks now. This is the correct idea. So answer is, now I will come back. Correct answer is D. Okay. So I am coming to the conclusion, my dear students. Thank you very much for your the kind cooperation you have given so far. If you are a newcomer, my dear students, I will thank you for you. Kindly, I request you click like, click the subscribe button. Also, share this video to your friends. Let them also enjoy. Why I started this channel, NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G channel in YouTube, the reason is, we, not only we, the entire India was suffering from Corona for the last two and a half years. We are not allowed to go outside, sitting inside. As a chemistry, active chemistry professor, I wanted to do something to the poor students of the India. So in some way or other, I want to help the students of poor students of India in chemistry. So I think of, so why poor students not joining with the MBBS? So let us assist to the poor students. Based on that only, I actually started this channel. So if you follow my channel, I am starting from 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard, entire units, topics I have included here. So theory I am discussing. Also the questions asked from NEET also I am discussing. In future I will also discuss IIT, I will also discuss AIMS, I will also discuss AFMC, then the AIPMT, MSET Andhra. So almost only from this, the chemistry question will come. In the NEET, you will get 100 out of 100. In your board, in the NEET, 180 out of 180 you will get. 100% I will give guarantee. But you have to follow systematically my channel. And any doubt, you have to verify. Read books and verify. Please, thank you very much. And another important news for the students who are studying +1, +2 and +2 completed students. I am running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years, since 1999. What is the achievement we have done so far? It is given in our website, official website, vetri.s. In Tamil, we will say Vetri Namade. Vetri Namade, vetri.s. So in this, actually, I can point out one or two important achievements. Number one achievement, we started in 1999. Please follow. In 2003 itself, we got All India first rank in JIPAN entrance examination. That is, R. Srinivasa Ragavan, one of our students from Patrick School, came All India first rank. At that time, we were teaching from 9th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, we are teaching. So he came first. At that time, more than 20 students joined JIPMAR. 5 or 6 students are joined IIT. Some few students are joined Pitt Pilani. So this is a very, very interesting year. The 2003 is the luckiest year for Vetri. And afterwards, the second important, most important achievement is, for the last 20 years, except 1 or 2 years, Pondicherry first rank always we are taking. In addition to All India rank, 2 or 3 members will go All India rank. So Pondicherry first rank is taken only by Vetri student. Evidence, everything in the home page, please verify. With the photograph, name and school it is given. Please verify. It is inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister, our N.R. Avargal. Honorable Chief Minister N.R. Rangasamy. Now the idea here it is, so another achievement is, every year 10 to 20 students are joining to JIPMAR. 150 to 200 students are joining other medical colleges. The few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students joining in the other engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Regarding our vetted daughters, we have two important features. Kindly follow. I want to inform. So the vetted daughters is containing 200 video lesson. 200 video lesson. 200 unit test. Please follow. All the 200 video lessons were taken by the professors who are teaching with the PhD degree and the 30 to 40 years of experience handling the classes. So you can feel like class atmosphere. They will explain very nicely. You can easily understand the concept. There's another important feature of the video lesson. The video lesson full of abstract notes will be there. Important points will be there. Formula will be there. Diagram will be there. So that video, if you touch, it will stop. When stop, you can note everything you can note. Again touch, it will move. So it is easy to take notes. What that is, you need not take all the notes. Only if it is not known, it is new for information is new to you, you can take. Otherwise, not necessary. Please follow. So we are covering up to the BSc standard. Please follow. So students who are trying for advanced IIT advanced exam, they can easily go through this. 100% I will give guarantee they will pass. So then let me come for the second one, 200 unit test. The unit test kindly follow question we have framed from the previous year question papers, that is 20-year question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. Only from these questions I have asked, framed this unit test. What is the advantage we have observed? For the last 6 years, question paper in NEET, 75 to 80 question every year it is coming. Same question without any change, not a single word change. That means vetted daughters is giving you 320 marks to you. 4 into 80, 320. So if you are a very good student, sincere student, you will get 320 plus. So minimum 640 to 700 you will get out of 720. You will automatically come for All India rank. You will get JIPMAR. You will get JIPMAR. Please follow. So see, this is the idea. Here I want to give one more important feature of vetted daughters. That is our test pattern. So this pattern is not available in any other online coaching. So there is the menu. If you go for the website, suppose how to enter vetted daughters, kindly follow. Take any platform that is Chrome or whatever you have to go into the internet. So Explorer or Chrome, anything, you click Chrome for example, a window will open and type vetted daughters, our site will open. Then if it is a phone, the top corner there is 3 lines, you touch, then open, there will be 2 options will open, one is registration, another is login. So you have to register. Whatever is asked, register. Once you registered, there is the site is given, a free, NEET free version is given. NEET free, it is given. You go and view freely, you can view the lesson, freely you can view the test. Kindly follow. So let me explain the test, what will be the nature of test. So if you click, there is a menu called attempt. If you click attempt, a window will open. In the window you can read, it will say, this unit contains 45 questions, duration 45 minutes. Each question carries 4 options. One of the options is correct. For correct answer, 4 marks awarded. For wrong answer, -1 subtracted. Are you ready? It will ask. So if you want to attempt, before clicking OK, take a rough notebook and pen ready for, if it is a problem, you have to solve it. So paper should be ready. Then click OK, window will open. Ready now? What will be there now? Question number 1 you can see. Option A, option B, option C, option D you can see. And below there is a clock is running. Clock means 45 minutes, it is coming down to below up to 0. And after below the clock, again there is 3 menu. One is center, complete, right side, next, left side, reverse. And below 1 to 45 number will be there. 1 to 45 number in yellow color. Please follow. This option is most important to develop your capacity, to understand your capacity. Let me explain how. Suppose you are reading the question. Option A, option C, option D. It's a theory question. So you observe A is the correct answer. Put a click mark. So when you put a click, immediately what will happen? The number 1 in the number 1 to 45, yellow color will change into green color. Number 2 will become blue color, all other will be in yellow color. The interesting information, the question 1 is attended, question 2 you have to attend, all the remaining thing in future you have to attend. Suppose, let us see, after 20 minutes, suppose if you compare the time, compare the green color, compare the yellow color, you can assess whether you are faster or you have to go slow. Everything you can adjust that time depending upon that. Kindly follow. So once after all the 45 questions you have completed, press complete center. When you press, immediately your window will open. In the window, marks will come. 140, say for example 180. You are getting marks. Immediately, with our software, our own software, it is framed by the engineer G. Ganesh, our own software. So this immediately give marks. Automatically it will give correct answer 4, wrong answer -1, everything it will add and give. So suppose 140, you want to assess, so 40 mark less. You want to assess where is you have done mistake, which question you have done mistake, which is correct, you want to verify. We have provision. Please follow. In other online coaching, leading online coaching in India, these type of provisions are not available at all. You cannot assess. Kindly follow. Let me see. This is the important feature. So you just press a review. There is a review menu. A window will open. In the window, question number 1 will be, you can see, option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. Below that, there is correct answer. They are written in the form of yellow color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. Below that, there is a video solution. Please follow. Answer in the form of video, not typed matter. What we have, so far I have discussing, the same way the professors of concern, the subject will discuss. The another interesting information, you have clicked A, no, that will be in blue color. Kindly follow. That will be in blue color. So compare blue color answer, your answer, compare correct answer. If answer is same, you are right. If they are different, you are wrong. That means you have done mistake. So then next, what you have to do? So either you have to refer book, or you have to go to library, or you have to approach any chemistry teacher. No, not necessary. Below video solution, click video solution. Yeah, that is, I will take class for you. What I will say, this question is asked under what topic, what heading. Then I will discuss the tricks involved in the question. I will solve everything. I will discuss. Please see, this is a wonderful the idea. So you can easily understand the questions. This facility is not available in any other online coaching in India, leading online coaching in India. So each and every question we are having video solution, 5 to 10 minutes normally it will be. Kindly follow. Now, and another thing I want to say, this vetted daughters, through vetted daughters, even an average student can become easily get 600 marks. It's a low cost. Please follow. Only 10,000 rupees per year. Only 10,000 rupees per year. If you go for another online and inquire, in lakhs they will ask. So only 10,000. Then next, how to pay this 10,000? So pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Ethic Coaching Center, in the Indian Bank account number 7127194771, IFC code ID IB000P134. My contact number, cell number 98941764225. It's WhatsApp number also. Any query, any doubt, you can ask me. I hope we have come to the conclusion. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation. See you again in my next class, next topic. Thank you.